Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Lauren. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make some churros. But before hopping to the very much, just click that subscribe button, give this a huge thumbs up, and make sure to click that post notification bell. Yeah, let's get some started. So first, we're going to heat up a pan, and we're going to put half of a butter stick on quarters cup of butter onto our pan. So yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm going to pour in a cup of water. 1 cup. And your butter should be a little bit melted before you pour that on. So yeah. Alright guys, so once your butter is melted in the pan, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar into the thing. And make sure you guys don't burn yourself. And make sure you guys have a parent with you. So yeah. Then once your 1 tablespoon of sugar is done, you're going to want to remove it from heat and add 1 cup of flour. Hello, you're spotlighting on the pan. Thank you very much. So once you're done adding your 1 cup of flour, you're going to want to mix it. So once you guys are done mixing constantly, you're going to want to put it on the stove for 2 minutes. And you're going to want to...
over medium heat.
Over medium heat and stir it constantly.
For 2 minutes.
For 2 minutes. And once you're done for 2 minutes, you're going to want to put it into your bowl. Oh, you're spotlighting on the bowl. And you're going to crack an egg. And make sure you crack the egg on the table because it's important to do it on the table because it helps it from not getting any shells. So, I'm going to do that right now. Wait.
Alright, you give.
Wait.
This all goes in the same place. You can give. Here.
Ready?
So that,
Perfect.
And mix.
And mix. Alright guys, so we left off at mixing our egg really well. Then you're going to put it into your piping bag. And then you're going to, meanwhile, you're going to want to heat up your pan. And you're going to put in some oil. So while that's heating up to medium, you're going to want to take 1 teaspoon of your cinnamon.
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon and put it into your bowl. Kaboom. And then you're going to take half a cup of sugar and put it in there. Kaboom. And then you're going to want to stir. So it should start looking something like... So it should start coming to like a, this kind of color.
Are we going to dip our churros in there?
Yes, we're going to be dipping our churros in.
Ooh. Can we dip our churros in chocolate and caramel too?
Sure. And stop making background noise. It's annoying. Alrighty guys, so then you're going to take your piping bag with your dough in it, and you're going to want to squeeze it, and then it should come out like this long. And then you're going to want to... Mom,
No, I got to show it because I got to turn them.
Well, then it should, like, you're going to squeeze it, and then... Wait, can I do it
You're
in front
going
of them?
to snip it.
Can I do it in front of them?
If you're going to pour it in there.
Okay, I'll try.
But it's really
Hopefully
hot.
I don't get burned. Let me just grab one of these things.
Maybe that's not a good idea. Maybe.
No, it's fine.
Well,
Perfect. Okay, I can't pick that up, so we're just going to forget those. Alright guys, look.
and we didn't have a real piping bag because those are back at our other house. We just kind of you know.
Alright guys, look.
Are you talking now?
And you're going to snip it.
Nice.
So you should see it like start to like bubble up in there.
We just use a regular plastic Ziploc bag.
Because we wanted to.
All right.
Alright guys, so you're going to take one of your churros on the paper towel. You're going to put it into your cinnamon and sugar. And then you're just going to want to like play with it in there. It's kind of hot for me, so I'm doing it with like a spoon. And I don't like touching hot stuff. And then you're going to want to put it onto your plate with all your other churros.
Want to try it?
Yeah, sure. I'll try this one that I just did. with chocolate sauce and caramel.
Mm-hmm. Is that really good? Okay.
But it could go with some chocolate sauce.
All right, so
'Cause
maybe we'll...
I don't really like caramel. I like chocolate sauce, so.
Okay.
So anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Click that like button and click that post notification button. So yeah. Bye!